Hello viewers, welcome to our How To Studios.
Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we're going to see how to remove seat on a Yamaha Virago 750. Let's go and remove the seat. To get to the seat, you need minimum tools like alloy wrench. Here we have the alloy wrench that you have to remove some bolts to take off the seat. So it's pretty easy to remove the seat on Virago 750. Let's go and see that. So take this alloy wrench, remove the screw from there. You can take off the screw like this. Save everything that you need to put it back. So thus that screw is loose. So we have another screw that we have to remove it other side of the bike. So underneath the same spot we have underneath the seat, we have like another bolt that's sitting in front of, like, and underneath it's hiding there. To get to that, you have to remove this cap on the battery to get to that. So first, to remove that, we do this. So this cap have a one and two clips and one clip hanging in it. So just carefully pop out that two caps and make sure you're not going to scratch anything. So it's a chrome finished thing. So I'm going to put this on a towel or a paper around so I don't scratch and do damage to the chrome. So these are the pins that I'm talking that go right here. The one goes here and another one goes here. To save it, put it on a soft cloth, then take this alloy wrench, get to the bolt, so when you have free move, be careful, don't do that because you're going to lose the bolts. I got the bolt. Don't lose it, keep the same side where you remove it so it is easy to put it back. Now you have to remove the seat. So it's pretty easy. You got the single bolts from one on the left side of the bike, one on the right side of the bike. Now you have to just, like, there will be a holding underneath the back. You just have to push in here, and pushing here you can remove the seat. So just like this, you can pop out and you can push it forward to remove the seat. Just remove the seat. I'll place my seat safely to be not dusted somewhere else. I have my other bike here, so I'll place it there. It's not going to make any dirty there because it's already clean. I'll place it there, and there you go. You can remove the seat. To put it back again, you have to do the same process. Take the seat, come back here, place it in the front, make sure that's it in a right position, and then you can come back here. I talked about the spot here, so you have to make sure you're putting in the same spot. Hold it up, and to put this here, have to just like slowly. Do you see that? Have to go inside carefully, so that's not going to move. Just place it in the front, so that's pretty good sitting there. Now take the bolt you saved, just put it in the right, so the seat is a little bit back. Make any adjustments that you can see the clear slot screw that can go. Try to make it stay there before you're going to use Alloy wrench. All tight, pretty hand tight. Hand tight is good enough on motorcycles. Same way on the left side, you make sure there will be a connection in between. So this is the long one on the left side. Put the bolt there. Take the alloy wrench. There you go. That's it. If you like the video, follow the next video to take off the battery. You have to replace the battery on this same bike.